Homemade mole control. Moles can be a real pest when it comes to maintaining lawns and gardens. They make underground tunnels to feed on earthworms, grubs and insects, causing unsightly havoc in residential areas. There are many chemicals to try to rid your landscape of moles, but they can be harmful to children, pets and other animals. There are also some homemade, non-toxic mole remedies to try. Things you'll need: castor oil, garden sprayer, dish detergent, 1 cup Murphy's oil, 1/4 cup cayenne pepper, 1 quart spray bottle, water, large coffee can. Recipe for garden sprayer. Add 6 ounces of castor oil to a garden sprayer container. You may adjust the amount according to the size of the area you need to treat. 1 ounce of oil will provide coverage for 1,000 square feet of a garden or yard. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid dish detergent to the garden sprayer container. The detergent helps the mixture spray more evenly. Add 2 gallons of water to the garden sprayer container. Shake container to mix. Spray evenly over garden, lawn or other surfaces you want to protect from moles. Repeat about every 6 months. Recipe for 1 quart spray bottle. Mix 1 cup of Murphy's oil with 1 ounce of castor oil in a 1 quart spray bottle. Add 1/4 cup of cayenne pepper. Add enough water to fill the spray bottle. Shake to mix. Spray mixture on mole mounds and tunnels. Do-it-yourself trap. Dig a hole into the mole tunnel. It should be deep enough so the top of a coffee can rest at the bottom of the tunnel. Cover the top of the hole, above ground, with a board so the mole cannot get out. Wait for the mole to fall into the trap. Remove the coffee can and relocate mole elsewhere or dispose of it in another way. Tips: warnings. Spraying right before rain will help the oil soak into the soil.